Today we're going to take the stereo out of a 2007 GMC Canyon. To start this job, we're going to need a pry tool and start at the top part of the dash along the dash trim panel. This panel will come loose, work across, releasing the clips, work down the left side of the panel, work down the right side of the panel, work down the edge of the panel, and it should snap loose for us. We'll do the same again for the left side of the panel, and the panel will come loose. Pull the panel forward. At the top here there's wires coming through the little opening for the connector. Pull up the wires as for a little bit more play so that you can move the panel around. And with the panel disconnected, we want to pull the bottom of the panel away from the dash, and there go in the car stereo opening, and there's a connector right up in here. At this connector there's a trigger right on the bottom of it. You squeeze it into the connector and the connector comes loose. Now turn the panel around for access to the back for the emergency flasher connector here at the top. At this connector, it's not a squeeze-in connector. There's a trigger at the very top of the connector, and you want to lift this trigger and the connector will come out. After lifting the trigger on the connector, you can remove the connector. With the remaining connector removed for the emergency flasher, you want to take this panel and set it to the side. Take a close look at the back of the panel to make sure all the clips are still intact. We are missing a clip at this point. Back in the dash we have a clip that's still in the dash here. With a pair of pliers, grasp the back edge of the car stereo, remove 2 screws on the left side. At the right side of the car stereo, remove 1 screw, grasp the car stereo and pull it out of the dash. Now at the back of the car stereo we have the antenna connector. Grasp as close as you can to the base, the metal base, and pull the antenna out. For the second connector here, we have a trigger on this one that needs to be squeezed into the connector. The trigger is on the bottom, so on this one you squeeze it in and the connector removes. And the connector removes. And there you go. The GMC Canyon car stereo removal. For more removal instructions, see our website, carstereoremoval.com. Thank you for watching our video.